Hey guys, welcome to C Hash or C Sharp tutorial session 7. In today's session, you can learn about 4 important operator in C Hash: arithmetic, comparison, assignment and logical operator. So what is operator in C hash? So operator in C hash is a symbol that is used to perform operation on variable and values. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all this stuff. So there are a lot of operators category available in C hash, but here primarily we will discuss about 4 important operator type: arithmetic, comparison, assignment and logical operator. So arithmetic operator, 7 important operators available: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment and decrement. So addition operator is used for adding two value, right, or string concatenation, whereas subtraction primarily used for subtracting between the two variable, multiplication for multiplying multiple variable, division also, right, divide to primary variable, so it will divide the left operand by the right operand, whereas modulus will compute the remainder after dividing its left operand by its right operand. Increment, it can happen as a pre-increment or the post-increment. Similarly, decrement also can happen in two way: pre-decrement and post-decrement. So now let's try to understand what are the different arithmetic operator and the usefulness. So we will declare two variable here: integer I equal to give value called 50 and integer j will give some value called 20, right? Then I want to sum I plus j. So this is arithmetic, addition operator. Then I can do the minus, so it's subtraction operator. Then multiplication I can do, then division I can do, then I can have the modulus, which is the remainder with the percentage sign. Okay, now let's run the code and let's see whether addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the remainder is working properly for these two variables. I need to give a colon here because every statement in C has also end with semicolon. So now you could see the output in the console window after running the code. Yeah, I can terminate and here you can see the desired output, right? So I have defined two variable I and j. I value is 50 and j value is 20. So summation with the help of the addition operator, right here, so it will be 50 plus 20 is coming as 70. Then subtraction operator, 50 minus 20 equal to 30. Then multiplication operator, 50 multiplied by 20 equal to 1000. Then division operator, so 50 divided by 20 equal to 2.5, but it will take the rounding integer value, so it's 2 coming. And then the remainder after dividing 50 by 20, so 2 into 2 equal to 40 and the remainder will be 10, so that is the reason it is coming as 10, right? So that is the way you can deal with this primary 5 operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Now let's discuss with the increment and decrement operator. Okay, now we can close the console here and let's comment out this code. Okay, now if I define some variable, say integer I equal to say 30, right? Then I can use the increment operator. Then next time I want to print the value of I, so it will print 30, and then in the next line I want to print the value of I plus plus, so it is called post increment. So here value will be printed and then increment will happen. Okay, so here it will be again value will be 50, here also value will be 50. Next time if you want to print the value, so now what happened, so value is already incremented by 1, so next time if you want to do it, it will be 51, right? Now if you go with the pre-increment operator, so here as of now 51 has been already stored value, so p increment is nothing, right? It will be first increment plus plus I. Okay, so it will be pre-increment, so value will be incremented and then printed. Incremented and stored and printed. So here or before that 51 value was there, so here it will be incremented by 1, 52, and it will be printed, so it will be 52 here. Now if you again if you want to print the value of I, so it will be 52 again. Now let's run the code and let's see how it is behaving, the pre increment, the post increment. So it will run the code and it will print the output in the console window. Yeah, you could see the desired output here. Okay, so we have defined the value equal 30, that is the reason. So let's give it to 50 here so that it will work, because we have defined the value as 30 initially, so it was working same way, working perfectly fine. Now if you change the value as 50, because we have taken, I have assumed that value will be 50 only, so that is the way, right? I have tried to return down the outcome here or output result. Now you could see it should work accordingly. So initially value was defining 50, so if you want to print the value, it will be 50 here. After that what I am doing post increment. So here value will be printed as 50, after that increment will happen and that value will stored, so 51 will be stored here, but output will be 50, so it is coming as 50. Next line, then the increment value has been stored and same value will be printed out, so it is 51, so it is working as 51. Now in the next line or the line number 4, here I want to pre-increment, so it will be 51 plus 1, that value will be stored 52 and it will be printed out as well, so 52 is printed out. Now already we have 52 value stored, and if you want to use it, right, so it will be 52, so my code is absolutely working fine. Now the same code you can use for decrement operator as well here. Now let's copy the code and comment it out. So same value I can use it, so if you want to print it, so it will be 50, and for the post decrement operator you can minus minus, so it will be post decrement. So here it value 50 will be printed out and it will be decreased by 1. So if next line if you want to print it out, it will be 49, and then here also it will be minus minus pre decrement. So already if you 49 stored here, and if you want to pre decrement one value, so it will be 48, and the same value will be stored here, so it will be 48, and in the next line if you want to print it out, again it will be 48. So that way your post and pre decrement will also work. Now let's comment out, close the console window, and let's try to run it, your code, and let's see whether it's working absolutely perfect based on our expectation. Yeah, it will run your code and you can see the output. So initially value was assigned as 50, so 50 is coming here, and here post decrement is happening, so value will be printed as 50, and the next time value will be stored as 49, and after that in the third line if you want to print the value which is already decremented by 1, so 49 will be here output, and in the line number 4, so 49 value was stored, after that you have doing p-decrement, so it will be 48 and same value will be printed out and stored, so 48, and next line also if you want to just to print the stored value, so it will be 48 again. So that is the way, right, you can use these two operator, which is increment and decrement, where pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement also will be coming into the picture. The next categories of operator is, which is very important, is comparison operator. So comparison operator compared to operand and return true or false boolean value. Now let's close that console window and now comment out this code here. Now I will define, okay, I need to cut it and I need to paste it before here. So I will define two variables, say integer m equal to 10 and then integer n equal to 20. So what are the important categories available for the comparison operator? Equal to. So in case both are only equal, then it will be giving you true. Not equal to, in case both are not same, then it will giving you true. Greater than, in case the first one is greater than, it will true. Greater than equal to, in case first one is greater than or equal to, it will give you true. Less than, in case second one is greater, then it will giving you true, and less than equal to, in case second one is equal to or greater than the first one, it will also give you true. So that are the 6 comparison operators available in C hash. Now let's try to see how you can use these 6 kind of operator, 6 kind of different comparison operators. So m equal to n. So here not, it will be giving you false result because both the value is not same. Then you can give not equal to, so the sign will be not equal to sign. Then you can check whether is m greater than n, and then greater equal to n, and greater equal to n, and m less than n, and m less than equal to n. Okay, so now let's run your code and let's see. So it will give you the boolean value true or false for 6 condition. So these are the 6 comparisons operator available in C hash. So let's validate one by one. So m equal to 10, n equal to 20, both are integer. Equal to, no, the both value is not equal, so it will be giving you false. Then not equal to, definitely both value is not equal, so it will be giving you true. Second part is also validated. M greater than n, m10, which is not greater than 20, so it will be false again. A greater equal to, not, value is condition is not matching, so again it will be false. And here m less than n, yes, so it will be true. And here m equal to n, so that is the value I want to print it. No, it will be less than equal to n, right? So that we can validate also, it will be also true. Now let's close it and let's run it once more time, so that you can also validate that the value will be also true, m less than equal to n, because n is always greater, because n value is 20, which is always greater than 10. So last one also will be true here, you could see. So that is the way you can, right, work with this very important 6 comparison operator in C hash. Then the assignment operator. So you already see increment and decrement, right? So if you use increment or decrement, so it will be incremented by 1, right, always, or decremented by 1 always. But in case you want to increment, decrement, multiply, right, 5 times, 10 time, right, or add 10 every time, tens, 20, 100, then how it is possible? It is possible with the help of the assignment operator. So there are five primary categories available in the assignment operator. Assignment operator: add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign. Now let's try to comment out this code. And here you can define 4 variable. Say integer a equal to 10, integer b equal to 20, integer c equal to 30, integer d equal to 40, right? Then I want to use first one. So assignment is already done for 4 variables. Then I want to use add and assign operator. So how can I do it? So I want to add 5, right? A plus equal to 5. So it will be added by 5. Now if you want to print the value after added by 5, you can just print it out, the value of the A here. So next one, for the second variable b, I will be using subtracts, right? Subtract and assign. So b minus equal to say 10. Okay, and I can print out the value of the b after subtracting by 10. Then other variable c, I can multiply by 5. Okay, so multiply by 5 and then I can print the variable value here. And for the last one, d variable, I want to divide by 20, and then I want to print the value of the d. So that is the way. These are the 4 important operations: add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, and divide and assign can be done. Now if you want to execute your code, it will be displaying the accurate result based on the different assignment operator you have used in your code. So it will be printing the value in the consoles. You could see the value is coming here. So let's discuss. So initially value was a equal to 10, but you have added the value by 5, so it will be 15 here. So value is 15 here. Value of b equal to 20, but you want to decrease the value by 10 because b and subtraction equal to 10, so it will be 20 minus 10 equal to 10. It is working fine. Then the value of c variable was 30, and you want to multiply it by 5, so it will be 30 into 5 equal to 150. The value of variable d was 40 here, and if you want to divide variable value d by 20, so 40 divided by 20 equal to 2, so that is the value is coming here 2. Okay, so that way you can use these 5 different assignment operator. The next one, very also important, is logical operator. So logical operator can be applicable for boolean value as well as for the integer and other different data type as well. So first I will show you how the logical operator can be used for, right, boolean value. So let's comment out this code here. And so define two boolean variable bool, right? Bool I can define one variable called p and q at the same time. So I will be defining the variable p and q. So that is the way multiple variable assignment also possible. So with the boolean type, and p equal to I can define called true, and q value I can define q equal to false, right? Then I want to print, use these 3 different operator which is as part of the logical operator. So logical not operator means it will reserve the result and return false if the result is true. And logical AND means it will return true if the both statements are true, both the conditions are met only. And logical operator returns true if any of the statements is true. Now say I want to check not equal to P, right here. So P value is true, so not equal to P means it will be printed as a false, right? So the next one is logical AND here, so I can use P ampersand Q. So in case both are true, then it will be printing you the true, otherwise it will print the false. And let's use the logical OR operator, so it will be that sign, okay, the pipe separated sign. Now let's try to run your code and let's see how it is behaving. So it will try to execute the code for this 3 line with the help of logical boolean operator here, because we are trying to perform the operation on the boolean value. So here first one is coming as false because P is true, so not equal to, right, exact value of the true equal to false here. And then second one, P equal to true and Q equal to false, so both are not true and one is false, so true and false means it will give you the false result. And third one, in case any one is true, then it will give you true. So P is true but Q is false, that does not matter, so it will give you the true. So that is the way, right, you can deal with logical operator for the boolean variable. Now let's see how you can do the similar kind of operations for integer or other type of variable. So I'll define some value called integer x equal to say 8. This is the integer type, right? Then now I want to just validate that logical NOT operator, logical AND and logical OR operator for this variable. So here I am giving him one more condition. Suppose say x greater than 5 and ampersand, that is fine, x greater than 5. You can give another condition, suppose say x less than 10. So the value of x is, and you need to give one more bracket, value of x is greater than 5 but less than 10. Both the condition is matching, here matching, but it is not, so it will be giving you the again false, right? Next one, I can just simply check the value is falling between P and Q, right, 5 to 10. So definitely it will give you 8, so falling between 5 and 10, so it will giving you true here. It is greater than 5 but less than 10. And for the logical OR, I can use that one. So it is also giving you true result, because anyway the 8 is greater than 5, that one condition is matching, another condition x is less than 10, that is also matching, so definitely one condition is matching means it will giving you true here. Now if you run your code, you could see here the output will come accordingly. So that is the way, right, logical NOT, logical and logical OR you can also use with the other type of variable apart from that boolean variable. So if running your code, it will give you the desired result. The first line it will be giving you false because the, okay, some error happens, let's run it, okay, because that part is not there. Okay, console.readKey part we have commented out. Now give it again so that it will be printed in the console. In case you are not giving console.readKey, your console will be displayed for few right moments, but you will not able to validate anything. But in case you are using the console.readKey line at the end, you can validate the details in the console window. Whatever output it will be displayed, you could see the first one is false here, because value of x 8, which is right falling between 5 and 10, but I have given not sign, so true, but true opposite to false. And the next one is value is between 5 to 10, both the condition is matching 8, so it is true. And here third one, value is greater 5 or less than 10, both the condition is matching, but in case one condition also, it will be true also. Suppose say in case you are giving is suppose say less than 3, right? So any condition is matching, so it will give you the true result, but you no need to keep that both the condition you need to match. So if you are running your code, also the last one will be still true, the last line will be still true, because the value is greater than 5, so one condition is matching. But in case of AND operation, both condition need to be only true or match, then only it will be true. But for OR, in case any condition is matching, so it will be giving you true. So it is not mandatory that both the condition have to be matched for the logical OR. So logical NOT means the opposite one. Logical AND means in case both condition is matching, then it will be giving you true result. Logical OR means it will return you true in case any of the one of the statement is true. So that's all from today's session. Thank you.